so welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new crafting session video. So today I wanted to just take you along with me as I decorate one of my books. So this is the book that I created on my live class this past weekend, and I wanted to just finish adding the paper. So this is a folio album that has little pockets on the side where we can store other small little folios. It's almost like a little stationery album. So one of my goals for this year was to use all my stash, and so I had this paper collection and I love it. I was using the little bit I left that I had to create some projects with it, and as you can see I have all kinds of scrap pieces, and I think this book is gonna be perfect to finish this paper collection here.
Can you tell me where to start? I need someone to empty this heart. Any direction now would help. Let me give you a piece of advice, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in. Under bridges and heavy rocks, we keep on dancing. Yes, we've traveled far, seen so many dogs. But now I need to get some rest. Nevertheless, a caress. So let me give you a part of myself, she said. Larger ain't bolder, and wiser ain't older. Just hold on to what you believe in.
So on the left side I have two-dimensional pockets. I wanted to add these kind of like accordion fold dimensional pockets to have a little bit more room to store some different things. Like, for example, if you're using these for a baby book, you can add some hospital bracelets in there, or you can add some things that you collect on a trip, or if you're using these as little stationery album, you can put some different ephemera pieces and just have more room to store little things. And so on this bottom section, I have more flat pockets. So these pockets here, I think are gonna be good to add some ephemera or some little notes, reminders, tags. I don't know. I just love having this variety of different pockets, different options. So it is actually a combination of pockets and belly bands, but I think this turned out really fun.
Maybe our lives were not meant to collide from the start, but who could foresee the fall? Maybe it's time to decide what to do with the fact that it happens to us all. From time to time it all comes around, and no one knows the end. We're all building bridges slowly, tearing them down fast to start over. We're all trying to come over memories of the past and start over. The past can start over. Start over. Stay alive to prevent all the chaos, but happiness can't wait. And maybe it all would come clear if we knew how to act for each other's sake. From time to time it all comes around, but no one knows the end. We're all building bridges slowly, tearing them down fast to start over. We're all trying to come over memories of the past and start over. We're all building bridges slowly, tearing them down fast to start over.
So now that I finished decorating the book, we're going to start adding the inserts. So this is a fun little pop-up card that I created. These are projects that I created for my YouTube members, and this is also a little folio, again using the same collection, so I'm gonna be putting that on that pocket. And since I have yet another pocket, I might just create one more folio for that. But I think I love how this turned out. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you like watching me decorate this book, and I'll see you on the next one.